Hey my charmers and subscribers, I'm back. Today is May 24th and I'm bringing you the latest confirmed spoilers that we have thus far. The first confirmed product is the eyeshadow palette by Alamar Cosmetics. It's called Reina del Caribe Volume 1. And she made this, Gabby, reminiscent of the beauty of Cuba. It's an 8-pan palette with 8 highly opaque shades. The 4 mattes have a sun by them, and that tells you to use only dry brushes with it. And the other 4, 2 are shimmers and 2 are highly metallic shades. There's a water droplet by them. So with these, you're supposed to use a wet brush. These are beautiful colors. Reina del Caribe means Queen of the Caribbean, and these colors look just like the Caribbean. Getting back to Gabby, who is makeup artist for BOXYCHARM, she created her own company, and she was born in an urban borough of Cuba called Alamar. Thus came the name Alamar, which means stay close to the sea. So to Gabby, this meant stay grounded to my culture, and that she is. She fled Cuba and moved to Miami as a young child. She had to adapt a new language, a new culture, and a new way of life. I am so proud of her for coming this far in her lifetime. She is an amazing representation of the United States of America. How anybody here can do something if they just put their mind to it. Our second confirmed product is from Sol de Janeiro. This started with the CEO of BOXYCHARM holding a huge jar of the Boom Boom cream. Well, he shortly came back after the picture was let out that it could not be this huge jar because it could not fit in the box. Well, so what can it be? It can either be the smaller version of the Boom Boom cream, which is $20, or it can be the Brazilian Kiss Cúpula Azul lip butter, which retails for $18. So I think any product we receive from the Sol de Janeiro brand will be exceptional. This is just a great sun-themed box. First with the Caribbean looking colored palette, and this with the Sol de Janeiro products. I think this is going to be a great box. Our third confirmed spoiler is a set of Barrington lashes. I think this is just a wonderful product. It's great for people who wear lashes, and it's also great for people who don't wear lashes because it's really nice to try a new set of lashes and learn how to use them with a high quality set rather than some cheapies that don't act well. These are handmade and are 100% silk. They last up to 25 applications. Now you have to give it the correct care. I will have how to apply these and also how to care for them so they last you 25 applications in June when I get my box in. Just look for Kendy Jane Beauty or just subscribe. These lashes come in Demi 3D. Then you have the 3D silk lashes, which are Harlow, Monroe, and Bordeaux. They also sell for $28. Then you have the regular silk lashes, which sell for $26. They come in the style of Earnhardt, Hepburn, and Kennedy. As you can see on the screen now, I have the best sellers, which come from both the 3D and the regular lashes. These, because they're made of silk, they hold the curl a lot better, and also they're very lightweight. so the lashes fit seamlessly with your actual lash line, making them virtually undetectable. Very natural looking. I am so anxious to try these out. I've always used the Ardell lashes, and I've tried the Huda Beauty lashes. I wasn't really impressed with my Huda lashes, but I am anxious to try these out. They look beautiful. You remember those brushes that were set on the table and then covered up? Well, I got confirmation today of the 3 exact brushes they're gonna be. The first brush is by Luxie, and it's the 660. It's the Luxie Rose Gold Precise Foundation Brush, and it retails for $18. It's a premium soft brush with synthetic bristles. The top is encased in a rose gold ferrule, atop a sheet pink handle. It's handcrafted, hyperallergenic, and high quality, and it's vegan and cruelty free. What a nice brush. This brush is to use with foundation. It can be cream, liquid, or powder. This brush will leave your foundation looking like it has an airbrush finish. The second brush is the Luxie Rose Gold Tapered Highlighting Face Brush. It's brush number 522, and it retails for $24. It's a fluffy tapered brush to apply highlighting powder to emphasize the high points of your face. The third brush in the set is the Luxie 516. It's the Luxie Rose Gold Duo Fiber Powder Brush, and it retails for $22. Wow. Use this soft duo fiber bristled face brush with your favorite face products. You can use this brush with creamy products or powder products, and it leaves you a flawless finish. These 3 brushes retail for $64. I don't think it's an actual. Okay, beauties, let's do a quick, complete rundown of these verified spoilers. Our very first one is the Alamar Cosmetics Relina del Caribe Volume 1, which retails for $28. The second one is the Sol de Janeiro product, which could be possibly the Boom Boom Cream, which is $20, or the Lip Butter, which is $15. The third product is the Barrington Lashes. These can run about $26 to $28. And the fourth product is those beautiful Luxie brushes. 3 full-size brushes they've made into a set, and those total to $64. Wow. The CEO of BOXYCHARM has confirmed that these 3 Luxie brushes are one item in the box. How generous. So this is just one item. If you look at what these total up to, depending on which way you go with the items, it ranges from $133 to $135. We usually get items valued a little bit more than this, so possibly another item. Possibly looking at what was on that table, it could be maybe a lippy. We will either get a confirmation on that 5th item, or we'll get it in the box, or there won't be a 5th item. So, BOXYCHARM is a subscription box that costs $21 a month. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know why you haven't, but I have a link below. I would really appreciate you subscribing from my link. I would get 500 points. I could use these points to buy products to use on my channel. If you don't want to do that, you could go to BOXYCHARM.com and you can subscribe there. Also, please remember, Kendy Jane Beauty has a monthly giveaway this year. This will be my 4th month having one. This month we're giving away the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette and the Morphe Bretman Highlighter Palette. You can find all the information you need from the giveaway video that played at the beginning of the month. Please check it out if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to get this box and try out all these products. I'm still trying out that wonderful eyeliner from May. But I appreciate everyone for watching. Take care, and I love you all. Bye.